Taking the bronze medal, we have the white-throated needletail. While some birds demonstrate their speed by diving after prey, others are much faster in level flight. Although not scientifically proven, many researchers believe that the white-throated needletail is the fastest bird in level flight. This spine-tailed swift with its distinctive white throat can reach speeds of up to 105 miles per hour. It is a migratory bird that spends its winters in southern Australia. It is rarely found in Europe, although it has been spotted occasionally in Norway, Sweden, and Great Britain, being able to adapt to various climates.